Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nirav, and in this session I'll be doing Elliott Wave analysis for the DAX 30. I'll be looking at possible wave counts and possible projections for the same. So right now on screen I have the 4-hour chart of DAX, and I'm discussing the counts from this point onwards, which is the level of 8,700. So from this point onwards you can see we have the circled one complete over here, circle 2 over here, and possibly the circle 3 and the circle 4 over here. Now at this point I like to point out one more thing that is quite important with regards to this count, is that as you can see over here, the double bracketed 1 and double bracketed 2, that the 2 has consumed quite a lot of time, but the 4 over here does not seem to have done that. So if we keep this point in mind, then it is possible that the 3 of the double bracketed degree is coming over here, and that would mean that the 4 is coming over here, and that would imply that we have a change in degree. But the change in degree does not affect really our trading strategies, and hence it's not much of a importance at this point in time, because all the short-term and medium-term strategies will remain the same. So we will look at this structure now in more detail. So from this 3 around here, 12,960, 12,954 level around, we have a simple zigzag kind of correction, which is a 1 2 3 4 5 followed by 3 legs up for the B, and then again 1 2 3 4 5, and this correction seems to have completed at this point. Now we have 3 legs down, which means we have some possibilities that can proceed, that the market can play out from here. The first one being that this could be a flat type of correction, and that would mean that we have ABC complete over here as A, B and C, and we will see 3 legs up again, and in that case our minimum target would be this high of 12,956. So that would mean that our first probability, which is flat, has direction upwards, and target is around the all-time highs. So that is our first probability. The second probability is that this might either be a triangle or a ABC X ABC complex kind of correction. If this is a triangle, then we will see something like 3 3 3 3 and 3 kind of structure over here. And if it's an ABC X ABC, then again we will see an 3 down followed by 3 waves X, and then again downwards. So in both cases we have after the completion of this part, these 3 legs down, which is over here and over here, we have 3 legs up in the ABC X ABC, as well as 3 legs up in the triangle count. So in both cases we are still going to see a short-term upside movement, which is maybe possibly this is the A and B, and going up for the C, in which case I think that the market should at least capture the movement up till this wave B resistance zone, which is 12,670. So in that case that is the case of triangle and complex formation. Trend is short term up, and levels 12,670 can be seen. So that is our second scenario, which is quite a bearish scenario, you can say, because the upside is not that much, but it's still there and can be traded on short-term time frames. And the next scenario is the bullish one, that is the 4th wave has completed over here, and if that is the case, then obviously we should see new all-time highs most likely. And if that is the case, then of course we'll use our Fibonacci tools and measure up some probable targets for the same. Okay, so starting from the starting point of wave 1 to the ending point of wave 3, and projecting it from the starting point of wave 5 or the ending point of wave 4, we have our first target coming around at this level of 13,710, and the second target coming at 14,715. So this is the first way we can use Fibonacci to measure up targets for the 5th leg. The second method would be to see if the third is extended, which it is in this case, and since the third is extended, we will measure the length of wave 1 and projecting it from the starting point of wave 5. We have the, let's check if it's placed on the right point. Okay, so we have the main ratios as 61.8 and 100%, and the 61.8 is coming around at 13,182 and the 100% is coming around at 13,862. So if the market plays out the fifth wave from this low of circled wave 4, then the most likely target would be this 13,187, followed by next target zone of 13,718 to 13,863. So this could be taken as our target 1, target 2 zone, and if we move up, then we will even have the target 3 over there. That would be the most bullish case scenario right now. Yes, also if we consider the alternate view, which says that we have the double bracketed 3 completing over here, then even in this case we will have the wave 5 targets calculated, but a little bit different there would be. Let's have a quick look at those as well. So if the double bracketed wave 3 is completing at the top, then we have the minimum target for wave 5 coming at 13,515, and the next target is 14,399 or 14,400. Again, those are some upside levels. A new high again will be seen in this regard, and even if we take up the length of wave 1 and project it from the starting point of wave 5, that is the second way of measuring these targets, then we can still see that okay, so in that case our minimum target 61% is coming at 13,061, and the next target 13,660 is coming around our previous target zone. As you can see, this is our previous target zone. So even in that case we are going to see new highs if the fourth wave of double bracketed degree is complete over here. So let's just conclude right now. So I've discussed basically the scenario that this might be a flat, in which case we will test at least the previous high. The scenario that this might be an ABC x ABC, and another scenario that was a triangle. In that case I expect it to test at least this level of wave B of 12,660 something. And the last scenario was the bullish one, that the wave 5 is going to progress from here on, and in that case of course we will see new all-time highs, and we already did a discussion of that just now. So all in all, short term and medium term upside strategies should be implemented. Buy on pullback, buy on breakouts, and I think that's all I wanted to discuss in this video. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button and definitely share it so that I get more views. And if you want to learn more of the methods that I used here, that is Elliott Wave, then I do have a video course on the same. You can find the link for that in the description. You can also avail the offer of getting into my private group for 1 month. Details for that also are in the description. And that is all for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.